The movement was begun by a scientist who discovered, quite by accident, these signals being sent. Please understand, they are safe as long as they are not discovered.
They want their weapon.
Look out for Charlie.
I want that son of a bitch dead. I want him dead.
Alright, I wanted to check in with everybody, let everybody know that I'm still kicking. First off, I'd like to really thank everybody who donated. You made a huge difference in what's going on. I probably said it in the first video, but there is years and years of stuff in that house that I need to go through, and I need to buy time to get through that. There's a lot of memories, there's a lot of everything. It has to be all sorted out. And I'm not going to get a dime out of that house because of the way these big businesses were ran. If you're familiar with Detroit, as they went down in the 70s and 80s and the early 90s, and then after that they began to cut and chop away people's pensions, and my dad had to do a lot of different things to survive, and that meant taking out mortgages and doing other things. So the point being is, it's all about getting the memories and what I can out of the house, and buying the time to do that. And you've really helped a lot. I won't mention any names, but thank you very much. Secondly, I wanted to actually bring up something that people aren't aware of, and a lot of people aren't aware of, and that is ELF. And people have been saying, well, I don't understand this ELF. I don't understand this ELF. You know, where is it coming from? Blah, blah, blah. Well, the government, NASA, all these organizations have admitted that this exists. They use it for a myriad of different things, but in the way that they've admitted it now, they're admitting it as an accident. Oh, we found this ELF everywhere on Earth by accident. And I'm going to show you that real quick, so we can get this out of the way, because there's always these naysayers that want to come along and question that. Well, I'm not quite getting your ELF thing, you know. Where is it coming from? Where's the tower at? You know, ELF, you can't stop ELF. It's like putting toilet paper in front of a semi. It is going to keep traveling and traveling. Through water, through rock, through steel, through whatever you put in front of it, it keeps going. So this is how these scumbags are framing it. It's always an accident. So a cow farts, it's bad. Somebody uses hairspray, it's bad. It's bad that you drive your car. It's bad that you have a campfire. It's bad that you do anything. Humans are bad. That's what they want you to think. But they've accidentally created a protective bubble around Earth. It's protective. So it's helping block radioactivity. That's what they're really trying to say. And it's from these ELF radio transmissions and other radio transmissions that are creating an ELF bubble in and through the Earth. Humans accidentally created a protective bubble around Earth. So this is good. This couldn't have anything to do with climate change or anything else, right? Here's another one. There's a protective bubble around Earth, and we put it there. We affect the space environment around us. And blah, 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 blah. Humans change every environment we inhabit on Earth. Blah, 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 blah. But this is a good thing. And it's, see, it's ELF and VLF. And here's where the accidental bullshit comes in. NASA discovers man-made bubble around Earth. They just discovered it. Oh, whoa, we just found this whole ELF bubble around Earth. It's mind-blowing that they can pull this over on people and people buy it. They are admitting it is there. It is everywhere. I have told you before, the signal is everywhere, and they are telling you that the signal is everywhere. I've been meaning to talk about this for a while, but this is a good time to talk about it because I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you guys know that I'm still kicking. Here's another one. NASA's Van Allen probes find human-made bubble shrouding Earth. Really. Really. And the best one, a human-made bubble of radio waves, ELF radio waves, could be shielding Earth from radiation. So anything they do is good. Campfire, hairspray, you and your Prius, bad. Humans, bad. These guys, good. You get what I'm saying? This is absolute and total bullshit. They knew this was there. They put it there. They are using it for everything that I talk about in every one of my videos. It's like a giant, if you remember slot car tracks from back in the day, it is basically a giant open world slot track where everything, the air, the ground, and everything within it is conductive and can be monitored and worked with in a two-way basis. Very low frequency radio waves have created a protective bubble around the planet. Wow. Just wow. So they're admitting it. So anytime that anybody comes here and tries to say, oh, I don't know about all this ELF stuff you're talking about, there it is. It's from them. From them. So anyway, I just wanted to get that through to you. You can shut them down with just these few examples alone. And I'm still kicking, and thanks again to everybody who has donated. You're making a huge difference in my life right now, and I really mean that. Thank you. There are a lot of details that I want to get into about what happened to my dad, the weirdness around it, the anomalies and everything else, but I'm just not ready to talk about it right now. And I'm still neck deep in crap right now that I've got to deal with. But the time will come. It's important, and it needs to be talked about. It really needs to be talked about, because there was some weird shit. And that's it for now. Look out for Charlie.
Come on, do Nazi stuff.
Yeah, why won't he do the Nazi stuff?
Look out for Charlie.